Welcome to the new CCC website. In this short video, I'll walk you through a quick orientation so you can find your way around. First, to access your self-paced courses, click the My eLearning link in the top right-hand corner. Here in the navigation bar, in the Become an Interpreter tab, you can click here to explore the path to becoming an interpreter and also see training resources. You'll also find a page dedicated to our self-paced courses. On the live training, as well as the upcoming events pages, there's a calendar with future sessions. Under the Train Interpreters tab, you'll find more information about becoming a licensed trainer through our Training of Trainers, or TOT, plus our consulting services in the different industries that we serve. Licensed trainers can also access their dedicated site from here. If you're a licensed trainer, you will receive information about this directly. Let's head over to the Books and Products section where you can shop around. Once you add an item to your cart, you'll see it in this icon in the top right-hand corner. You can click here to do a quick view of your cart, click View Cart for a more detailed view, or click Checkout when you're ready to buy. The Resource Center houses a variety of useful content. Let's check out the different search functions. For example, you can select Healthcare Interpreting, and that will show you related information. You can also type in some keywords. For example, become an interpreter, and related content will also show up. In the Webinars tab, you can register for upcoming sessions, as well as search past topics that interest you, similar to the Resource Center. Here on the contact page, you can always fill out the contact form for assistance, but you can also email us at solutions@cultureandlanguage.net at any time. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy exploring the new CCC website.